This call is now being recorded.
Good morning, everyone. In the last class, I did the basic idea about the relation and its domain and range. And then we did also talk about a function as a special kind of a relation, right? So there also we did learn about their domain, range, codomain. So recall everything which is shown on the screen. This is from the last class presentation. So two important observations were there to highlight them. Every element in X has to have a unique image in Y. So for this example, on the right hand side, the first diagram, clearly it is a function. And as in a simple word, I did mention if there is a greater than type sign also, right? So every element is getting a unique image, hence it is also a function. But the third case is clearly not a function. Let us now understand this by considering few examples. To begin with, check out this question. Let n be the set of natural number and a relation R. अभी सिर्फ relation R define किया है as x comma y is equal to 2x. This is the definition how x and y are connected. So most important is this, and my domain wherein x and y are there, वो n है. What is the domain, codomain and range? And then finally, is this relation a function? So check this out. We know x and y both are natural number, right? So when x is 1, clearly by definition y is 2. When x is 2, y is double of this. When x is 3, y is double of this, and so on. If I represent this situation using the arrow diagram, this is from n to n, and natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So both are going infinitely. Now, when we map them together, when x is 1, y is 2. Remember, x is here, y is here. When x is 1, y is 2. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, we have y as 6. Similarly, when x is 4, it is 8. When it is 5, it is 10, and so on. Based on this understanding, what is the domain? What is the codomain? And what is the range? Anyone? Domain क्या है? What all values x can take?
Sir, domain can be any number and codomain and range can be any even number.
Domain n is okay. Codomain is always fixed. याद रखिए, codomain for a relation, it is the set y actually. बाद वाला जो भी है, तो ये fix है n. What about the range?
Even natural numbers.
Good. आप चेक करिए रेंज का मतलब व्हाट वैल्यूज y कैन टेक. तो आंसर तो मेरा सिर्फ मैप अगर मैं करूं तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ किनके साथ हो रहा है? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, which represent the even natural numbers. So this is my required answer to the first part. And second thing also they have asked, is this is a function? Check it out. Is this a function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a function. आपको दो चीजें क्या चेक करनी थी? पहली, is the elements of first set are all mapped up? हर एक की यूनिक इमेज है. So for 1, 2 is unique, for 2 4 is unique. That means every element of my domain has a unique image, hence it is a function. Simple, using a Venn diagram idea, one can conclude this. Please check out this question, a very similar problem, but now the set is restricted. It's not n as I'm going infinitely. Important is this definition. X belongs to X, Y belongs to Y. Yes. So X is here, Y is here. So in a very simple way, I'll take this problem. Ye X as an element and this is Y as an element. There is a relation defined as say F here. Now 2, 3, 4, 5 and Y contains 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So as per the definition, if you note carefully, Y is given as 2x plus 3 over here. So when X is 2, directly we will check it out. When X is 2, when X is 2, Y will be 4 plus 3, which is 7. So 2 will go with 7. Similarly, 3 will go with 9, 4 with 8 plus 3, 11, and 5 with 13. Right. So this is the arrow diagram. So F as a roster form, F as a roster form would be 2 goes with 7, 3 goes with 9, 4 with 11 and 5 with 13. Now, first second part में domain और range पूछा है. So domain would be simply what values X can take, clearly all, that is set X, and the range of F, what values your function Y is, this relation is taking. अभी इसको function नाम नहीं दिया हुआ है, ये याद रखिए. So which is actually not equal to Y here. Next, show that F is a function. Now, पहली बात observation से बताइए, is it a function?
Yes.
It is a function. Yes, already कहा गया है पहली बात question में ही, show that it is a function. But how I am going to show? I need to use the basic definition based on my understanding of a function as each X belongs to X is associated with किसके साथ? Unique Y belongs to set Y. This imply F is a function. I am adding one part on to this question. What is the image of 4? What's the answer? Yes, image of 4 क्या है? Image का मतलब क्या होता है कि आपके पास ये 4 की मैपिंग गई थी 11 के साथ.
11.
That is simply 11. Now can you answer what is the pre-image of 9? Yes, Nidhi, right, it's 3. अब जब हम
3.
pre-image की बात करते हैं तो 9 किसके साथ गया था यहाँ? So that is simply 3. Let me add one more part. What is the pre-image of 15? One can easily note. Confusion हो गई ना कि 15 के लिए तो कोई arrow diagram ही नहीं है. So clearly that image is actually not defined in this case. Yes. I'm sure now this would be quite easier question. From f is a function from a to z. Z तो integer है, but a fix है. -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 और बाद वाला सेट z है. तो आपको पता है z means 0, फिर -1, -2, -3 and so on, and 1, 2, 3 and so on. And how the elements are connected? X square minus 2x minus 3. Now let's start going for the mapping. X is here and my fx is here. Remember this. So that's a basic understanding. What will be the x? When x is -2, x can take only the following 5 values. When x is -2, answer कितना आ रहा है? You just replace x by -2 and that would give me 4 plus 4 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. So that will go with, in fact, -2 with 5. Further, when x is -1, what is f of -1? In definition, put x as -1. So 1 plus 2 minus 3. कितना आ गया? It's simply 0. So -1 goes with 0. Similarly, when x is 0, when x is 0, अब ये वैल्यू ले रहे हैं, तो clearly f of 0 would be -3. So 0 goes with -3, and similarly when x is 1, f of 1 is 1 minus 5, which is -4. So 1 goes with -4 over here, and finally when x is 2, f of 2 will calculate, and that is clearly 4 minus 4, 0 and -3. So f of 2 goes with -3. I hope the idea is clear. So finally function मेरा ये जो बन गया, how I am going to write this function? -2 with 5, arrow diagram से पढ़ते रहिए. -1 with 0, then 0 with -3, 1 with -4 and 2 with -3. So this is in fact my function in a roster form. Now let me start answering the parts. First part, what is the range of this function f? Okay, yes, ठीक है Jivesh. Range mean what values your answer is taking. So it is taking the values -4, -3, 0 and 5. Repetition is written only once. So -3 should be written only. Right. Next, second part, pre-image पूछी है. So pre-image of 6. What is pre-image of 6?
Not defined.
That is not defined. Similarly, the pre-image of -3, 0 and 2. तो pre-image एक से ज्यादा हो सकती हैं. That is not bound to be unique. और finally pre-image of 5 क्या हो गया? That is clearly -2. Yes, perfect. So I hope the idea is clear. If I draw and use this arrow diagram, then we can easily answer the following questions. What is the codomain of F? मैं एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट एक और वैसे पूछ रहा हूँ. What is the codomain?
The set of all integers.
Yes. आप चेक करिए, यहाँ जो भी लिखा है वो फिक्स है एज अ कोडोमेन. So understand the basic definition. So that's simply Z. Please check out this question. Examine each of the following relation and state in which case by giving the reason it is a function or not. तो आप चेक करिए फर्स्ट पार्ट. The easiest way would be the use of arrow diagram, right? So first entry 2 3 4, second entry 1 1 2 है, तो रिपीटिशन एक ही बार लिखेंगे. तो कितना हो गया? 2 with 1, 3 with 1 and 4 with 2. So check it out. अब बताइए based on your understanding फंक्शन है या नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a function. 12th में हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. It is a many to one function. The types of functions will be dealt later on. Next सोचिए.
No, sir.
Okay. Arrow diagram अगर मैं second part I'll imagine. So the entries of the first ये 2 3 and 4 and then second entries है 2 4 3 4. तो चलो 2 3 and 4. So 2 goes with 2, 2 goes with 4. इतना सही जब आपने बना लिया, आइडिया लग चुका है. The element 2 has more than one image, hence it is not a function. और चलो कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं वैसे डायग्राम. 3 with 3 and 4 with 4. But problem is coming because of this situation. Hence it is not a function. Third part you can easily try out in your homework. Then the basic definition about the real function. In fact, until up to class 12, we'll be taking care of the real valued and hence the real function. In simple word, functions will be defined from say n to z, say from r to r, say from r to n and so on, from say z to n and so on, right? So if the domain is either r or a subset of R, then it is called the real function. तो डोमेन आप चेक कर लीजिए, मैंने जो लिया है रियल का सबसेट या रियल इटसेल्फ ले लिया है. So we in our syllabus will be talking only about the real valued functions. Observe the difference. Real function and real valued functions are different. In case of a real valued, रेंज की बात हुई है. रेंज अगर रियल डोमेन या उसका सबसेट है, देन रियल वैल्यूड, वैल्यू कहां से जा रही है, देन इट विल बी अ रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन. Then a very simple definition about the equal functions. Two functions f and g are said to be equal if domain of f is equal to domain of g, domains equal, codomain equal, and thirdly their values are also equal for all x. f of x should equal to g of x. So domain equal, codomain equal, and values are also equal for all given x. Check out this question. A function is defined from R to R. F of x has got this definition. Whenever x is less than 0, it is important to note, whenever x is less than 0, the function is taking the value 3x minus 2. Whenever x is 0, answer is fixed as 1. And whenever x is greater than 0, the answer is 4x plus 1. So based on your understanding, now what is f of 2? Which definition I am going to use? Will it be the first one, second one, or third one?
So third.
Yes, आप check करिए ध्यान से. x whenever it is greater than 0 means positive. तो हमारा x जो है वो 2 है, which is positive. So I am putting x as 2 in this definition, and that will give me required answer. Similarly, f of minus 2. Obviously, minus 2 is less than 0. So definition will be changed. और अब आपको ऊपर वाली definition में substitute करना है -2. So which is your required answer. Third part, f of 0. Clearly 0 के ऊपर आंसर फिक्स बताया है as 1 only. Fourth part, f of 3.5. f of 3.5 पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है, x पॉजिटिव है, तो सिंपली नीचे वाली डेफिनेशन यूज हो जाएगी. You will have your answer. I am adding a new part, f of say pi. What is the answer? f of pi simply means it's a positive value 3.14 something. तो पॉजिटिव का मतलब 4x plus 1 वाली definition 4 pi plus 1. No need to put the value of pi. Yes, Jivesh is correct. 4 pi plus 1 is your required answer. In fact, there is one interesting fact. Achha, this type of a definition is actually known as piecewise definition of a function. I have split it down. I broke my function and defined it in different ways. So whenever x is positive, whenever x is negative, so in that way my function is getting different possibilities. So therefore this is actually referred to as a piecewise function. We'll very soon learn about the graphing of this function also. Anyway, I purposely talk about pi right now. What is 2 pi approximately? If I take pi as 3.14, so 3 and ये तो clear है, easily कितना आ गया 6.28, right? If some of you can tell me when we do celebrate Pi Day, anyone? Pi Day.
14 March.
Yes, good. It is celebrated on 14th March every year. There is a reason. 14th March हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, right? और उस केस में आप चेक करिए अमेरिकन स्टाइल में इस डेट को कैसे लिखा जाता है. Actual में they write like this, and this if I slash is say decimal, so I will get 3.14. So there are different ways to interpret the situation. So Pi Day is celebrated on 14th March every year. Now consider the double of this. Actually, I'm talking about this, and this will refer to what particular date? सोचे ध्यान से. In American style. चलिए, ये एक्चुअल में 20 आज की डेट जो हमारी है 28 जून है आज. टुडे इज 28 जून, और इसे मैं लिख सकता हूं इन अमेरिकन स्टाइल एज 6.28, विच इज द डबल ऑफ पाई. सो डबल ऑफ पाई इज एक्चुअली रिटन एज टाउ, TOU, and today is actually celebrated as Tau Day. All over the world, not every country and is celebrating this. Even India may be rare iski awareness hai, but we are referring to today's date. Yes, good. So today is actually celebrated as a Tau Day. Just after the class, I am going to share one maths quiz prepared by one of my non-friend. So please do, you can Google about that. Google kariye and then submit the form. You, everyone who will be participating will be getting the participation certificate also. So cheating is allowed, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Google the answer, but at least that way you are learning something new and interesting. That is more important here. अच्छा, anyone heard of Pi approximation day and when it is celebrated? Pi approximate. Okay. Pi हम कहते हैं ना approximate value होती है 22/7, which refers to 22nd of July. So if the old students who are in our school only, they must be aware for many years we are celebrating Pi approximation day as a math wizard competition. We'll be sharing the information next month में आने वाला है. So we will be having our UT. इस वजह से हम इसको थोड़ा बाद में करेंगे, पोस्टपोन करके 2-4 दिन बाद. But we'll be having a quiz competition right on that particular day. Anyway, 14th March होता है, final term examination होते हैं. We can never celebrate generally Pi Day in India. Those who are really interested and fascinated by this information, please Google about this and learn more. Okay, coming back, check this out. A very similar question to the last one. You are given with a definition of a function, बस अब थोड़ा सा change कर दिया है the way it is defined. Whenever x is negative, the answer is x square. Whenever x is between 0 to 1, just the answer is x. And whenever x is positive, take the reciprocal and you will have your answer. So first part का आंसर क्या है?
Support.
आप चेक करिए. Whenever x is negative, whenever x is negative, you just need to square that value. Answer. Second part, when x is 1, 1 यहां पर है. देखो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? x is less than 1 और x is equal to 1. तो 1 के ऊपर answer is x only, माने 1 only. What is the answer to third part? First definition नहीं यूज हो जाएगी. Answer. Fourth part, what is the answer? F of 4/3. Yes.
Sir,
Huh?
third option right.
Yes, it is a third option. Third option means x is greater than 1 है. You just need to do the reciprocal of this. Your required answer. I hope the idea is clear to all of you. Next is find the domain, means what values x can take, for which the following two functions are equal. तो आप चेक करिए आपको क्या गिवन है. फंक्शंस आर इक्वल, तो f of x इज g of x. सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, ये इसके इक्वल गिवन है. रीअरेंज and get a quadratic equation. One can easily note I am getting this as a quadratic equation. Splitting the middle term, we are looking for two numbers whose sum is 3 and product is -4. So what are those two numbers? Anyone?
4 and 1.
Yeah, 4 and -1. So splitting, so 4x and then -x. Combine first two and last two. 2x common. So x plus 4. Oh, sorry, x plus 2. And then -1 common. X plus 2 is 0. Giving x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 is 0, or x is -2 or 1/2. Therefore आपसे डोमेन पूछा था, तो required domain is the collection of only two elements, -12 and 1/2. फेस वैल्यू जो हमें दिख रही है, that may be different, but even it is possible that the two functions are equal. This is a very very important observation. 12th में ये चीज और डिटेल में हम स्टडी करते हैं. Check out this question. ये असाइनमेंट से ही मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट लिए हैं. F and G are real numbers. This is the definition already given to me. X square plus 7 and G of x is 3x plus 5. ये given है definition. Find the following values. First part, f of 3 plus g of -5. आइडिया इज वेरी सिंपल. आप f of 3 अलग से निकाल लीजिए. ये फंक्शन f की डेफिनेशन है. रिप्लेस x by 3. So that is 9 plus 7, 16. Then what is g of -5? Definition will change and replace x by -5. So that is -10. Therefore, my required answer would be just their sum, and the answer is 6. Any doubt? Similarly, second and third part can be easily attempted. Let me take one more part, fourth one. F of t minus f of 5 over t minus 5. If t is not equal to 5, and that is common sense. This expression will not be defined if t is equal to 5. Hence, the given condition is with us. Anyway, now what is the meaning? What is f of t stands for? F of t means, in this definition, put x as t only. So that will become t square plus 7 minus f of 5, put x as 5, and here it is as usual, t minus 5. The role of function is over. Now it is a simple algebra. ऊपर 7 से देखिए 7 कैंसल हो रहा है एंड टी स्क्वायर -25 फैक्टराइज तो t +5 t -5 हो जाएगा. t -5 will get cancelled out and this is your required answer. Any doubt to anyone? Yes, based on this, we have our exercise for the homework. Check this out. This is from the previous topic, domain and range of the following relations. We already have considered the idea. So one can easily attempt this question, followed by NCERT exercise 2.3. We just consider the similar question. Hint, use the arrow diagrams. And then you can easily make a judgment whether it's a function or not. Check this out. Third part तो बहुत simple है. And even in fourth question, we already have studied in science. Physics में probably आपने 9th में किया होगा या 10th में. The formula for the conversion, say for Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that's the formula given to you. So T of C, this is just a notation. Likewise, I write the function as f of C, or I can say P of C as a function. So this is probably one notation of the function. And then various parts are asked. As far as first 4 parts are concerned, simply आपको C की जगह 0, 28 and so on रखना है. In fourth part आपको T of C दिया हुआ है. तो T of C if it is 212, तो T of C एक्चुअल में कितना है? 9C/5 plus 32 and that is 212. You just open the bracket, simplify, मतलब that's taking the LCM and simplification. You will get your required value of C. Yes, this is all for today's class. And in the next class, we'll be talking about the graphs of the functions. How we are going to graph some standard type of functions. So that will be covering in our next class. Any doubt to anyone? This all will be covered in our next class. If no doubt, you can leave the class now. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir.